everyone, it's Jennifer. I just bought a little present for my daughter. It comes in this cute little giftable box, and it is a golf set. So you get this really nice microfiber towel, and it comes with the carabiner hook. You get a divot fixer, I think it is called. And as part of it, you even have this that you can mark your golf ball with. That's just like a really nice little thing to have. You get a cleaning brush. I love that it has a little lid on it, nice little grippy to hold it. And then you get attach this to your bag, and it has this sort of like string that it's attached. So that's great. So you're never going to lose it. And then last but certainly not least, you get this sleeve. This hooks onto your bag. You also get tees. I put 3 in here, and I think we have 3 more. You do not get the balls. The balls are ours. So you can put your balls in here, and then you can just squeeze one out the bottom when you need a new one. So just a really great set. This would make a great gift for the golf lover in your life. Check it out.